Hello everyone, let's give you an idea of how to change M1 cable today. This is a cable for Forearm, and this one is the cable from arm to the forearm. We need a straight screwdriver, M2.5 and M2 hexagon screwdriver. Scissors and tie. Now I will start to disassemble the housing. The housing of the forearm has 4 screws. There are 2 on each side. After screw is removed, the forearm housing can be removed. We will remove the cable to be replaced first, and the screwdriver is needed here. If you are afraid to forget the position where the red material is inserted, take a picture first. Then we take down the cable card that holds the cable. The old cable card has been replaced. Following, I will replace it with this new cable card. Also, the position where inserted wire on the other side needs to be removed, and then take the middle cable. If we need to change the cable, approximately 5 cm over here, location of a tie, in this position. You need to wipe the tape that we provided. Now I'm going to put the new cable on. The interface location should be consistent with the previous retention. There are 2 sides of lens here. One group is the COM communication interface of the 1.5 mm interface. The other group is the 1.25 mm interface, inserted in the battery connector over here. The other end is the same, and the interface is connected to the other end. Log-COM communication interface cable for 1.5 mm interface. And the battery cable for the 1.25 mm interface with our Phillips screwdriver. Then use the U-shaped LAN card to secure to the original position. Here, we need to use the M2.5 hex screws. The location of the friction here is attached to the tape we provided. Here is the same. Middle interval 1 cm. OK, the cable replacement from the rear arm to the forearm is now complete. Next, replace the cable from forearm to the end. Also tear out the jack at both ends of this LAN. Then remove the LAN card. Then the cable is removed from the bottom. Return the robotic arm around. The LAN card at the bottom needs to be removed. Note the innermost part of the bottom, where there is also a LAN card. OK, take it off. The tie here is cut. Remove the socket of the other end LAN. Disconnect the COM cable from the battery cable. Take this LAN off. Then change our new wire. Note that one of the old wire should be removed and replaced with a new wire. Then pass through this pattern. locking the wire cable port. Then 1.25 of the battery cables. 1.5 common cables. Then pull back here. Then install the card here, and it will be a bit difficult here, because it's a little hard to see at the bottom. Multiple attempts are required. Then lock. Then pass the other end through here. The position of the SIM connector is locked with a LAN card. Note that the long screws are not available for locking wire clamps, because long screws interfere with the mechanical structure, so use a short screw. This position is not well fixed either, so be careful. Other tools can be used to aid in fixing. Lock first to a good position. Then lock the power cables of the regent cable back. Pay attention to the wiring position. Don't make a mistake. Remember to be the same as the old cable. Then, reconnected the battery cable. There are also COM cable. Then pull back the cable. OK, then use the tie to secure the cable. Finally, start the monitor and check whether the monitor is installed successfully. After the test is successful, attach the housing.